Hey guys, okay, so change of location, change of everything. I just literally got home from a trip. I'm so excited because this is not only the most pinkest box I've ever seen, actually probably the only pink box I've ever seen. This is the PR box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics and Jeffree Star. Thank you so much for sending me this. I'm so excited. I can't even say like how much I love Jeffree Star Cosmetics, but I just love his makeup. I think his makeup is freaking phenomenal and nobody could ever mimic. So we are here in my house and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this with you guys and show you guys what I got. But yeah, this is my little baby Jasper. I think he's asleep. Hi baby. Are y'all ready? Oh my god, look at it. It's literally so heavy. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna get a knife. I just got my nails done. Okay. Jeffers. Oh, he doesn't like it. And if y'all ever trying to come to my house and try to get into my studio, you got to go through 2 dogs, okay? So good luck. All right, you guys, so inside we have all pink tissue. So cute. Oh shit, you guys, there's so much stuff in here. I mean, whoever packed this is super organized. Shout out to you because it's like fucking organized and clean. I love it. So this is literally what it looks like inside. So cute, so organized. Oh my god, I'm very excited about this one. I mean, I love it. He even has like the cute little labels that says brain freeze, summer bundle, the mini breakers. Oh my god, like I'm so excited to see what's inside of here. Let's get to this unwrapping. So everything seems like it's bubble wrapped. Oh, it actually says it! All right, so opening brain freeze. ASMR. Oh, bitch. You want something, baby? You want to play with Jeffrey's dogs? Okay, so let's go ahead and unwrap this one. I officially got the Brain Freeze palette, which is so cute. Actually, I don't own this. The only one I have from Jawbreaker is the actual Jawbreaker palette. Okay, cute. So let's go with this. So inside it is the Skin Frost Pro palette. Oh my god, look at this highlight, you guys. This is phenomenal. Oh wow, there's like a really pretty gold breaker highlight, which I'm kind of like stunned because what other fucking brand do you know that has a fucking Jawbreaker highlight? None. Can't even mimic it. Sorry, y'all got nails, bitch. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and do the summer bundle. Summer bundle is... Oh, yes! I got lips, bitch! Bitch, whoever wrapped this is cunt. We have all of the new summer bundles. In my previous video, I went ahead and bought the No Offense because I was so obsessed with the lime green color lip. Oh my god, we have Yes Ma'am. We have Fully Nude, Purple Urkel, Strawberry Crush, and Bronze Blood. I kind of want to see what Bronze Blood looks like. Baby, you like me to put something on, baby? Oh my god, it's so con, so shimmery, so frosty. For me, honestly, I'm gonna keep it so fucking 100 with you. Like, out of all the liquid lipsticks that I've ever used, Jeffree Star was the only one that literally the color looks exactly what it's supposed to look like, meaning the packaging. Also, you don't feel it. Like, I hate liquid lipsticks that you can feel. I just hate it. I ain't got no motherfucking dry ass lips, okay? I know I got fully plumped, smooth lips. There's no reason my lips should be motherfucking dry. So the next one is the mini breakers. I'm actually very excited I have it because I travel a lot, so I love the little minis. Let's go and open this up. We all know I love fucking purples, so this is amazing. Okay, girls, shout out to Double Scoop. That bronzy brownie color is so gorgeous. Come on, crease. All right, so next thing, I'm gonna just pick something big. I really want to know. I want something big. Oh, yes, mister. We got Miss Blue Blood. Now, y'all, I have this and I love this palette so much. I've said this before that I actually don't own a palette with all blue shades. Usually I'm very scared of blues, but the Blue Blood actually got me really confident wearing blue eyeshadow. I mean, the pigmentation is fucking out of this world. All right, next. Ooh, what is this? It's like breaking apart. Oh, yes. I actually don't own any of the fucking glosses. Stop looking so cute. That's my baby. You want something? You guys, I literally got the glosses. I actually don't own any glosses. Usually when I wear gloss, it's like with my hair up or something, and I'm just a boy and I want some shiny lips. But I've heard really cool things with the glosses. Also, the glosses, you guys, is one of my favorite packagings that he's ever done. It has the crown on top, which is pretty dope. So I love the fact that he changed his packaging a little bit. See, they're little crowns, and it's just like really, really cute, easy to wear. Oh, it smells so sweet. Oh my god, his fucking glosses smell amazing. Bitch, I don't even need to eat anymore. When I'm hungry, I'm just gonna fucking smell the gloss. Oh my god, that's cunt. I'm just gonna name a few. We have Sky High, Candy Drip, I'm the Boss, Crystal Kiss, Diet Freeze, and Shockwave. I mean, honestly, just by the names itself, like, I feel like when he names his products, it's really true to Jeffree. Only Jeffree would be like Diet Freeze. And a basic ass brand would be like light blue. Obviously, we know the contrast or the difference between which one's which. You know, light blue, gorge, you know? Like, I feel like Jeffree would be like diet bitch. So I love that his names are so like him. Okay, so next we're gonna move on to, I don't know what this is. I don't even know what. Oh, the lip scrubs. I remember that. I love these. I remember meeting Jeffree at DragCon and he was so sweet to me. I have my team walking me to Jeffree and his team is meeting up with my team. And I'm like over here like, oh my god, Jeffree's so. He pulled me up. We took a photo. He was so sweet to me. He complimented me. I was like gagging on top of it. I think at that time he had pink hair. And he was like, get Kimora the #1. And I was like, are we at Taco Bell? Where we at? Where we at #1? What you mean? And this big ass bag full of makeup. I was like, oh. And I remember he came up with lip scrubs. And my favorite one was the one that smelled like mint chocolate. And I remember being in the shower. And I'm like, you know, I'm gonna be like this. So this one is called Cucumber Mint, Pineapple Juice. And then the last one's called Lemon Sucker. Those names sound very, very, very summer. I love that. Oh my god, bitch, hold on. This is one of the palettes I do not have. I really don't have this. Every single time I go to a different city, I would always want to look up a Morphe store. Just kind of see things, go check out things, go buy some makeup. So shout out to Morphe, I love y'all. But every single time I've tried to get the Alien palette and they've always been sold out. I've always wanted it because I don't think I'm ever going to find a palette that has so much character and so much like detail as the Alien palette. I never played with this before. I never tested it, swatched it because it's always been sold out. So you guys, I finally got the Alien palette. I'm so excited. I see. Oh, see, girl, he ain't trick. He's no. OMG, so kind. Honey, oh my god, it's so cute. I didn't realize it was, the eyes were super 3D. That's fucking dope. Oh my god, I fucking love these, you guys. I have the Diamond Wet highlighter. Literally, like, these are the best highlighters he's ever came out with. Obviously, I love his first ones, but I feel like these ones, when they tell you, like, you have to wet it just to put it on your skin, like, it's fucking phenomenal. We have Candy Apple Drip, Caramel Kiss. You guys, write in the comments on which one of these highlights do you guys love the most. Okay, let's open the lips. Bitch. Unicorn Blue. Mannequin is one of my favorite fucking light pinks in the world. I never tried Wifey before, but obviously by looking at it, I'm gonna love it. Skin Tight. Oh my god. Work, bitch. Oh my god. Red Rum. That's the one that was in the mini. Also, the Red Rum, I wore it to the Gaga HAUS Labs party, so I love it so much. Jeffrey, you want to have my lips popping. Oh, say it, baby. Pop it. Pop it. Jeffrey. Alright, you guys, we got more lips. Oh my god. We got Leo. We got Family Jewels, which is like a darker brown. Dominatrix. We have No Tea, No Shade. Androgyny. Allegedly. Are you kidding me? Posh Spice, which is a pretty dude. I love it. Oh my god. There's hella fucking lips. Hold on. Brown Sugar. We got Yummy. We got Snow Cone. Jawbreaker. Oh wait! These are the lip ammos. I thought he didn't do these anymore. I heard it somewhere. I'm actually very excited for Snow Cone. I love the lip ammos. I mean, I really rarely wear lipstick, but if the lipstick is really good, I do like to wear it. Oh, honey, that is done. I'm so into green right now. Look at my nails. What is this? Oh, Androgyny! Ah! Bitch, I got Androgyny! Y'all, I love this palette. Let me tell you why I love this fucking palette. I'm not even fucking lying right now. I have gone through at least 3 of these palettes. Let me fucking tell you why. I'm gonna tell you why right now. Y'all see this Charm color and the Dominatrix? The Charm is my blush, y'all. Like that, I don't wear blush like that. I really don't. And it's just something about Charm when I combine it with my contour color. It's fucking amazing. Like I literally bring this everywhere because I want to wear Charm everywhere I go. So I'm so excited. I just got a new one. Okay, bitch, work. Bitch, I want to give y'all some looks. It kind of reminds me like a Wonka bar, like a little like. Y'all want to see me do a video doing the whole face with lips? That'd be kind of dope, huh? Put in the comments if y'all want me to do a look with all Jeffree Star lip products. Let me know. The secret emoji is the lipstick. Bitch. More velour liquid lipsticks. So we have Gemini, which I actually do love. Dirty Money, Christmas Cookie, Calabasas, and then Cherry Wet. Ooh, Cherry Wet looks sickening. That looks gorgeous. Calabasas looks really nice too. Like a dark, smoky, dark eye. I'm a slut. All right, bitch. I see something in here that I'm like, I hope it is what it is. We have Jawbreaker, y'all. This palette, she's very colorful. She's very, very that. But I love this palette because if you love colorful eyes, if you love one shade eyeshadows, when I say one shade, it's like one color blue. This is the perfect palette for you. I use it like a lot underneath my eyes where like when I want to blow up color. Bitch, I was kind of hoping Blood Sugar's in here. I love Blood Sugar so much. I own this. I love it. It's one of my favorite palettes. I literally love purples, plums, reds. I love all those colors. They're fucking one of my favorite go-tos. This packaging, it just literally reminds me of like a little cute like trunk case. Like it's just so adorable. I love it. If you guys want to see it, I'm just kidding. It's in here, you guys. Hold on, bitch. I know what this is. I need help. It is, bitch. It's the new Chrome Star Mirrors. I've been wanting this so bad ever since he was talking about it on his story on Instagram. I was like, y'all, I need this fucking chrome mirror. I got the purple. I'm so excited. I got another one in here, bitch. Look at what? Bitch, what other brands out there are just literally fucking giving mirrors? Like, this is amazing. This is the one that I fucking wanted, you guys. This is the one that I wanted. I wanted the silver one so bad. I'm so excited. This silver one is so cunt. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the gorgeous of them all? You. Do you want to look at yourself? Look how cute you look. No? You look so cute. Why are you so cute? Oh my god, you guys, there's one more fucking thing and I need one so bad. The Jeffree Star makeup bag. This? Are you kidding me? Like, are you fucking kidding me? Like, look how big it is. I'm gonna take this everywhere with me because I actually do need a new makeup bag. My bag looks insanely old and gross, but I'd be scared to get this dirty. Alright, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing with me. I'm so excited and so stoked just to be a part of the Jeffree family. I love you. You're amazing. Let's not get all these feelings, but I remember MySpace. I was always one of your #1 fans because I was like, who is this fucking bitch just fucking living her life and being who she is? And that's one thing I do love about Jeffree, and I love Jeffree because he just keeps it really real. Y'all know I do. And he just keeps it really blunt. Also, I want to shout out to the Jeffree Star Cosmetic brand. I just be able to see where they have came from till now. I just can't wait to see the future and what Jeffree has up his sleeve. And shout out to all my babies out there that has been checking up on me on my videos. I also want to take this time to thank you guys for following me on my YouTube channel. So I love you guys so much. So please tell everyone about my channel. Please tell everyone, like I said, bitch, hit that subscribe button because I have 2 videos coming out every single week. I do not miss the mark ever. And it's always because I enjoy it and I love you guys. So without you guys, there we know me. I love you guys so much. It's Kimora Blac. Can you guys say bye? Say bye. Say bye. Treat. You want to say bye? Treats. Let's go get treats. Come on, let's go get treats.